The well-known leaker Anthony said on Twitter that Qualcomm is producing two variants of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. For the time being, we're only going to be focusing on how the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip will be used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to tweeter Anthony, there are two types of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips for the Galaxy phones. One type is faster, with a Cortex-X4 Prime core operating at 3.4 GHz, and the other is a bit slower, at 3.3 GHz. This chip will be used in the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone everywhere it's sold, as well as in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models in the US and China. The somewhat slower 3.3 GHz version of the chip will be found in Galaxy S24 Ultra phones that are offered in the US and Korea. People who haven't heard about Samsung's new Galaxy S24 phone but would be interested in purchasing it are being targeted by the company. Additionally, the most recent leak contains two actual images purporting to show the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which appears to have a gold color option. To be honest, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been seen in numerous renders and pictures previously. These aren't the first real photos of the phone, but the most recent images emphasize the phone's gold color, complete with a matching gold frame. These leaks have also provided some degree of confirmation on the design and the flat screen. The back of the new Galaxy S24 is similar, with a matte finish and a lightweight titanium frame, but it has a flat screen rather than a curved one, which strengthens it and does away with the need for pricey screen protectors. Many people, including myself, are pleased with the design, and the general look hasn't altered all that much. The Galaxy S24 basic model will have a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with 2340 by 1080 resolution. Using Samsung's most recent M13 OLED panels, which are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and strengthened with aluminum 2.0 for increased durability, it will have a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera for selfies and a back camera for turning heads. The phone has three cameras, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel main camera. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power it in the USA and South Korea, while the Exynos 2400 will power the European versions. With USS 4.1 technology, the tablet has 128GB or 256GB of storage options in addition to 8GB of RAM. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.